grade 4. You're really going to be busy little bees this week, but I know that it's not going to be a problem. The first thing you're going to do is on page 167, and you're going to write a report on the play. You remember last week you read the story of the mystery of the missing muffin. Somebody took a muffin and they were trying to find out who it was. So on page 167, they have started a report, and you must complete the report. In your class workbook, obviously you must write what they have, the cast of characters, who was in the play, where did it take place, describe what happens in the middle, and how the play ends. And then, if you were the critic, what would you give the play out of 5? Obviously 1 is the lowest and 5 is the highest. You will also find a YouTube video on direct and indirect speech. And then I ask you to go to page 164 and 165. And you could also read about direct and indirect speech. So you can watch the video, listen to the video, and then turn to these 2 pages. And on page 165, I've asked you to do number 1 and 2. And it's this number 1 and 2 in the middle of page 165. And I also have asked you to write 3 of your own sentences as indirect speech. So you have to look at this little drama that's happening here and rewrite 3 of these sentences as indirect speech. Wow, then you're going to take a deep breath, and there's going to be another YouTube video. And this is going to be on subject-verb agreement. The subject of the sentence, what the sentence is about. The verb is the doing word. And they have to agree. All it is about is the tenses. If your subject is singular or present tense, so must your verb be. But you listen to the YouTube video and watch it. And then on page 172, I've asked you to do the exercise at the top of the page. At the top of the page, and on page 168, you have to complete the script. They have started a script for you, so you're going to copy, and where they have got lines, you are going to fill in all the missing punctuation and collective nouns and the correct verbs. And then there is a reading exercise that you merely have to read aloud. Thank you.